Pandemonium broke out with over 60 foreign workers running helter-skelter when a team of enforcement officers ambushed a housing construction site in Bertam Perdana. North Seberang Perai District Chief Assistant Commissioner Norzaini Muhammad Noor said 31 foreign workers in their 20s to 40s were arrested, but added that he believed about 30 others escaped. The workers from countries such as Myanmar and Bangladesh were rounded up at the development site where multiple violations of the Movement Control Order had allegedly occurred.
Ini melibatkan lebih kurang 100 pegawai dan anggota daripada berbagai agensi, dan ini merupakan salah satu tindakan kita dalam kita memastikan bahawa penularan COVID-19 dapat kita bendung lah. Khususnya di seperti yang tuan-tuan sedia maklum di tapak-tapak pembinaan.
ACP Norzaini said the contractor was slapped with fines totaling RM55,000 and the site ordered shut for a week.
PDRL akan mengeluarkan satu kompaun kepada kontraktor di atas kegagalan memastikan bahawa pekerja-pekerja memakai pelitup muka, scan mask sejahtera, mengambil suhu, tidak cuci tangan dan sebagainya. Kami tindakan dulu kepada kontraktor main con ataupun subcon dia. Kita akan pastikan. KKN akan memberi notis penutupan tapak projek ni. Dan dari segi MBSB, dia akan ambil tindakan dia buat agreement dia. Khususnya kita dapati ada sebuah kantin di sini. Kantin tu gerai makan. Tidak mematuhi peraturan yang diletakkan oleh MBSB daripada sudut pelesenan dan juga dari sudut bangunan.
It didn't take long for checks to be done at the site in Mukim 6, which is classified a COVID-19 red zone. ACP Norzaini added that some of the workers were found to be United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees UNHCR card holders, but this did not provide them with a formal right to work in the country. Officials from the Health Ministry, Seberang Perai City Council, MBSP, and Labour Department were also present in the joint operation. Labour Department Senior Assistant Director Sherin Erna Majid said a RM20,000 fine was issued under Act 446 Amendment 2019 on workers' minimum standards of housing and amenities after 3 blocks of workers' dormitories were found to have been built without permit.